Now we're going to mix the ingredients and prepare the sauce for the stuffed cabbage. We're going to start with the tomato paste. I think for this amount we'll need a full cup of tomato paste. And we're going to add the water gradually. Okay. Now we add whatever's left of the garlic. You can always taste it later on. If you like more garlic to it, you can always add more. We're gonna pour pepper. If you like some more, you can always add pepper to your taste. And the same with the salt. It's about a teaspoon, but you can add it again to your taste. And now what's difference between this and the stuffed pepper is that we are putting vinegar to the mixture. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons of vinegar. If you like it more soury taste, you can always add more to it. Or if you add already a sauerkraut to the first layer, then you put less. Less vinegar now, and the sauce should be very watery, as you see.